If tiles do not fit perfectly along the bathroom wall after installation, address the issue promptly with precise layout and finishing techniques to avoid a patchy appearance. Start by assessing the wall and floor relationship and establish a clear reference line at the center or another visible plane, rather than relying on the wall as a starting point. Measure and dry lay a row of full tiles from that reference to both walls, so you can see the widths of the edge cuts and adjust the layout to avoid narrow slivers. Use a chalk line or laser level to maintain straightness and transfer that line to the wall or floor so every tile aligns to the same datum. When cuts are required, use a wet saw or tile nipper for curves and small adjustments to keep edges clean and uniform, and always deburr cut edges with a rubbing stone. Leave a small expansion gap of about 1/8 of an inch between tile edges and the wall to be filled later with a foam backer rod and flexible caulk for movement without cracking. Finally, plan grout joint sizes consistently and use spacers during installation so edge pieces appear intentional and the finished surface reads as balanced. Common problems include starting from the wall, which leads to uneven edge slivers, so reset your starting reference to the center or a straight line and rebalance the layout to produce larger, more uniform edge cuts. Another issue is inaccurate cuts causing visible chips or gaps, so slow down cutting, use proper blades and support tiles firmly, and test fit each cut before setting. A third concern is failing to leave an expansion gap, which causes tile push and grout cracking, so maintain that small gap and finish with a compliant caulk joint rather than rigid mortar at the perimeter. BigHomeProjects.com is a resource we maintain to help homeowners locate local contractors and contractors find work related to tile and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot installation challenges together.